Many people in Malaysia think this dal is only used for animal feed. But what if I told you the same Australian dal can make a delicious, creamy sambar? And it is the first choice of businesses, whether restaurants, food stalls or caterers. I'm always looking for ways to cook good food at a lower cost, especially for home cooks and small food businesses. And this dal is much cheaper, easily available and surprisingly tasty. Let's turn this underrated ingredient into an authentic South Indian style sambar. First, take 1 cup of Australian dal. Wash the dal well. This dal is slightly harder than regular tur dal, so soaking for at least 10 minutes helps to cook it faster. Now pressure cook it with 1-inch ginger, pounded or crushed, few drops of cooking oil, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and enough water to cover the lentils. I used 1.5 cups water. Cook until soft and mashable. On my pressure cooker, I usually cook for 6 whistles. Cooking on stovetop is alright too, but it might take longer. Once the dal is cooked, allow it to cool down. Then mash slightly to break up the lentils and make a smooth, flowing consistency. In another pan, we are going to cook the vegetables. Heat up the pan at medium level, then add oil. Use sesame seed oil if available for a special flavor. Otherwise, any cooking oil will do. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. Allow mustard seeds to splutter. Then add bay leaves, curry leaves, star anise and cinnamon. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger paste and saute to remove any raw smell. Then chopped tomatoes and saute until they become soft and mushy. Some water may be added to help the process. At this stage, add cubed vegetables. I am using cauliflower, bottle gourd, potato, carrot and drumsticks. Also add green chilies. Other vegetables may be used too, example pumpkin and brinjal. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1.5 tablespoon sambar powder. This is what gives sambar its authentic taste. Use any store-bought sambar powder as available. Also add half teaspoon fish curry powder or red chili powder, salt to taste, a pinch of pepper powder and a generous pinch of hing. Stir well for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup water. Cover and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Then pour in tamarind extract. Now the magic moment. Add the pre-cooked lentils into the pan. The sambar thickens wonderfully as the dal is added. Allow to simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. Adjust water for a flowing but slightly thick consistency. Taste and adjust salt and tanginess. Now add 2 teaspoons cumin powder. Cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. Add coriander leaves just before switching off. Final tempering. This is optional but adds to flavor. Heat some oil, Splatter 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Then add 2 sprigs curry leaves and 2 dried red chilies. Once it splatters, pour into the sambar. This is what gives the real aroma. Let the sambar rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving to improve flavor. Honestly, if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't even know this is not regular tur dal. It's creamy, flavorful, and works perfectly. This Australian Dal sambar is especially useful if you're cooking in bulk, running a small food business, or just trying to save money. You can reduce your ingredient cost significantly. So next time you see Australian Dal, don't ignore it. Try it, experiment, and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical cooking ideas. See you in the next video.